In this guide, I'll show you how to legally and safely install WeChat on your iPhone, even if you're in regions where it's blocked, like India. On your iPhone, open Settings. Tap your Apple ID, then go to Media and Purchases. Then click View Account. Tap Country or Region, and switch to a country where WeChat is available, like Singapore, US, or the Philippines. Now, open the App Store. Search for WeChat and install it. Since you changed your region, it should now appear for download. Once installed, open WeChat and register with your mobile number. Use your real number to receive the SMS verification code. This is required to activate your account. Extra tip: if you ever need to switch back, just go to your Apple ID settings again and change your country or region to your original location. Your WeChat app will remain installed.